Queen in USA. Hi. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that anytime we come up live, you'll be notified. So subscribe and all turn on your notification button so that anytime we come up live, you'll be notified as well. Just here to put a smile on your. Oh, thank you so much. The same person will talk. What the fuck are you doing? Say he's just here to put a smile on your face.
Thank you.
Person, if a guy is still waiting they do like this, go say Jesus Christ, which kind of punishment? Which kind of punishment is it? Hi, welcome to our live section. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Hello! Hello, welcome to our live section. Hey, give them. So if you have any questions, you can let us know. So she's ventilating. As you can see, she's ventilating a 5x5 closure. Hi, how are you doing today? Hey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified anytime we start any live section again. Give the live section a big thumbs up. So subscribe as usual. And like I said before, we sell luxury hairs, bundles, wigs, coily hairs, bone straight hairs. Okay, for us here, it takes us like about an hour to make a wig. I'm doing fine. Ruth is doing fine as well. Ruth, say something.
I'm doing good. I'm ventilating a 5x5 closure.
So it takes about an hour to make a wig. So you can go ahead to check our website www.exquisitesignature.com www.exquisitesignature.com. So that's our website to buy hairs from us, buy closures, frontals, hair products, luxury hairs, wigs as well. Hello, creature. Hello. So we sell luxury wigs as well, luxury hairs, bundles, wigs, frontals, closures, braided wigs, hair products. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss it anytime we come up live next time. So for now, she's ventilating a 5x5 closure for a client. Hi Queen, welcome to our live section. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Can you say or write that please? How do I write it?